Meaning of hombre.
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 Hombre. Hombre is a Spanish word that can be translated to man or guy in English. It can also be used as an interjection, similar to hey or yo. The word has its roots in Latin, where homo was used to refer to human beings. In Spanish, hombre is commonly used in informal situations to address or refer to a male person. It can also be used figuratively to describe a brave or strong individual. In summary, hombre is a versatile and commonly used word in Spanish that refers to males and can be used in various contexts.